Okay, today I would like to share with you what is this Facebook Ads Manager objective. So once you actually enter to the Ads Manager, you will see this user interface, right? So this is how you actually started to create your marketing objective. It's under campaign, okay? It's under campaign. So throughout the campaigns, right, you need to decide which marketing objective that you need to go to create your advertisements. Okay, how is all this marketing objective works, right? First of all, you can see here there's a 3-layer. All right, 3-layer is start from awareness, then followed by considerations, and followed by conversions. If you look at this 3-layer, it actually represent a sales funnel. It represents a sales funnel. How actually, and then this one is actually come back to how Facebook algorithms. Facebook has a huge registered user, but how are they going to segmentize all of us? We are consumer. So first of all, it's actually segmentize us based on our habits, based on our behavior, based on our patterns, purchasing patterns, and what kind of things that really interested to us, what kind of things is really important to us. So from here, example, that's why you can see here the marketing objective, it represents a sales funnels. When any new products or new services be introduced to public or to audience, the first thing people will start to know about the brands. So the awareness campaign must be rolled out. You need to have an awareness campaign so that more people will know about which is here. So awareness campaign is very important to let people to know about the new product or new services and a new brand. So this is a branding awareness stage. Then after people know about the products already, what will they do? They will actually move to the next stage, which is the considerations. They will consider the product or the services. Okay, most of the people, they won't straight away purchase. They will actually go into the stage to find more informations, right? They are very skeptical to the product or services. They might go to the search engine, or maybe their behavior is they want to get more informations before they make the decisions. So under these considerations, most of the people, they are keen to seek more informations. So if let's say today you are choosing the marketing objective under these considerations, it means that you are actually asking Facebook to help you to find those people who are eager to find more informations based on the product or services that they are interested. And then the next one will be conversions. So conversion, what kind of segmentizations of the conversions? So let's say you start any campaign under this conversion, it means that you are asking Facebook, can you help me to find those people, okay, they are ready to make an actions. Either they are under these conversions, they are either sign up the events, or maybe they are ready to register, or they are sign up for a leads. So that's why this is under conversion. And then after that, or maybe they will prepare to purchase. So which is, if let's say you're starting any campaigns under marketing objective is conversion, it means that you're looking for those people who are ready to make an actions, or they are ready to buy, or they are ready to sign up. So this is actually basically, it represents the full sales funnel. So let me explain one by one. Okay, what is this marketing objective about? So that's why sometimes there will be some questions, or some of the people, once they actually run Facebook ads, right? They do not get the result what they want. Okay, it's actually they maybe choose for the wrong marketing objective. So first of all, you really have to define what is your marketing objective. Are you still under the stage, your business, your brand is still under the stage of branding awareness, or your business or your brand is already under the considerations, or you actually prepare to find out those people who are ready to make an actions. So when we come back to this marketing objective, like such as awareness, so what is the difference between brand awareness and reach? When you choose this marketing objective under brand awareness, it means that you want Facebook to help you to flash out the ads, okay, as many times as possible. Whereas when you choose reach, it means that you are asking Facebook to help you to show these ads to the people as many as possible. Consideration is to look for those people who are not yet ready to make an actions, right? So under this consideration, there are 6 different level of 6 different types of marketing objective. The first one is traffic. So the traffic, it means that you bring the traffic, you want to get the online traffic. It means that you want to pull the people who visit your ads, okay, who click into your ads, so that they will go to your website or go to your landing page. Okay, so if let's say you want them to visit your website or landing page, then you must choose traffic. And then the next one will be engagement. So what is engagement about? Okay, engagement, the very typical, it will show up to the ads is engagement. You will see there's a lot of PM. Okay, there's a lot of PM, there's a lot of likes, there are a lot of share, there are lots of comment. So when you look at the ads, something like this is actually under engagement, right? So, and also for this engagement, if let's say you want them to engage through the post, then you have to go for engagement. The next one will be apps install. Okay, what is this apps install about? You want people just install your apps. Okay, once they install the apps already, that's it. Facebook done their job. Alright? And then the next one will be video views. Okay, what is this video views? You just want Facebook to find those people who just watch the video. That's it. And then what is lead generations? Lead generation, it means that this is very suitable for those people who don't have website. There is actually embedded form, which is embedded inside the Facebook and allow people to register, to put in their name so that they can actually get more information from the advertising. The last one is messengers. If let's say you want those people who message you through the WhatsApp or through the messengers, then you must go for messengers, right? So all this, it actually depends on what do you want them to do. Okay, these conversions, the main purpose is also bring the visitor from the advertisement so that they click into the advertisement and they will go to the website or landing page. But compared to conversion and traffic, conversion actually have one more step, which means that if let's say you choose for the conversion, Facebook will help you to find those people who are ready to make an actions, okay, who already make a decisions. As example, like they are prepared to sign up. Okay, they prepare to sign up for the event or they prepare to sign up for the consultations. Okay, they already find sufficient information and they're ready to commit. So if you compare the conversions and the traffic, right, conversion actually have a better commitment and the quality of the audience actually is way more better compared to traffic. Okay, so that's why conversion, the action, the ultimate action will be people will sign up and go to the thank you page. Okay, go to the thank you page because thank you page is the step to measure how far the visitor will go in the landing page or website. And the next one will be catalog sales. Catalog sales is selling products. Okay, whenever you see any ads, right, they actually show up like there's a price, there's a products there. Those e-commerce, they will actually love to choose the catalog sales because they can track until they make the payments and make the purchase. Okay, and then the last one will be store traffic. Store traffic is to track the traffic from the online to offline. So imagine now you actually have a branches, okay, or have a store, physical store in A locations, and then you want to look for an audience from the online and actually bring them to the offline. Then you must use the store traffic objective. Okay, so that's why based on all these marketing objective, it actually will determine what is your success rate of your campaign, because it represents a different behavior and a different patterns, purchasing patterns, all right, through the Facebook. So I hope that you all make a successful campaign.